It's almost as if half of our minds are not represented online. When you talk, you experience a certain freedom, a freedom from spelling and grammar, and from the endless need to go back and revise your text because you didn't say exactly the right thing. I just feel uncensored for the first time in years. And that, I think, is what this app wants to do, is unleash the second infinity that's within us that doesn't have to flow through these 26 characters and this punctuation and grammar matrix that can go directly from soul to soul. Because everybody that you're connected to online represents a line in a network, in a web, in a tapestry. And through those lines can shoot a lot more than those fingers of yours could ever hack out. I've written books. It takes a lot to write books. And people are not spending their carpal tunnels writing great books. They're just spending it chit-chatting inanely. I think that you can do a lot better than text with regards to communication. Text is part of the entire package, but not the whole package. Being able to express yourself as an individual matters. So you need to take that concept of the lines that are already connecting you to everybody that you love and care about, as well as strangers, and supercharge those relationships that already exist that you've built so painstakingly with audio. And that, I think, will help humanity, because when ideas flow at a greater rate, at a more efficient rate, things change more rapidly and more positively, because ideas tend to flow best among positive people, and I think it's positive people who will gain the upper hand with this app. So please spread the word.